Okay, you'll have to
action.
get down here to see it.
All right.
So first you turn this button to pilot.
All right.
You have to depress it a little ways to get it to the, where's it at? There it goes.
Okay.
To where it says pilot on this line.
All right.
And then you reach over here and you, you depress this button.
All right.
Hold it all the way in while it's on the pilot.
All right.
And then there's a little red button right up here that's the clicker.
All right.
Give it a second here.
I see it sparking.
It's probably because it's already heated up. But it still should light the pilot.
Unless that
There
switches.
it goes.
Okay.
They just had to get the gas there.
All right.
And then you hold that button in, the pilot button, for 30 seconds or so till that thing gets hot. Otherwise, if you let it go too early, it'll go out and you got to start over.
All right.
So I'm going to let it out now, slowly. And as long as it stays lit, then you finish turning this button to the on position on that line.
All right.
And it lights up.
Okay. Gotta have that plugged in right
and
there.
It runs off of that thermostat.
It runs off of that thermostat. All right. Okay. So if I turn this down,
It'll shut that fire off, but the pilot will see the fire shut off, but the pilot stayed lit.
okay, got it. So I'm gonna turn it back up.
Yep. Wait, you gotta give it a time when you turn it back up.
So I turn it back up. Till you go to solar.
You gotta go all the way up because it's a,
Okay.
just give it a few and it will come back on. It ain't like a light switch where you can just shut it off and turn it on, but it'll
Okay.
come on here in a little bit.
So it'll spark. I think it's just more for shutting down and turning on.
Oh no, if that doesn't click, it won't turn this piece on right here. You just gotta give it a little bit and it'll come back on. But the pilot does have to be lit or it won't do anything.
Yeah, so you're turning it up. You want it to be okay.
Well, you see, we're setting it on 90 and it's, according to that, it's 80.
Yeah.
So you heard it click? That was it. You see, it just came on.
Okay.
You just had to give it
Got it.
enough time because it's sitting, this valve is sitting here making sure everything is either cool or hot that's supposed to be before it'll allow the gas to go into that part and turn the fire on.
Okay. All right. So turn it down, and it will go out. Okay. All right. And then to turn it off completely, just turn the dial.
If you want to, you just put that all the way to the bottom.
All right. That's
or
there.
you can shut it off here.
Yeah. Well, I want the pilot off.
You want the pilot off?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll just shut it completely off.
All right. It's done. Okay. All right. Sweet.
And I'll